Tonight I'm going to show you how to make homemade New England clam chowder in 30 minutes or less. It's a great recipe and you'll really enjoy it. You want to go ahead and start with your potatoes. Wash, peel, and dice 5 large potatoes, and you can use a chopper. Makes things much easier. Once you do that, you're going to add it to a 12-inch skillet. You're going to put it on low to medium. And then you're going to add in a cup of the chopped carrots, a cup of chopped celery, a cup of chopped onions, and you're going to add to that the juice of 3 cans of the minced clams. So you can buy these in the grocery store. Don't put the clams in yet. You don't put them in till the very end. If they cook too much, they get rubbery. So right now, you're just going to add in the canned juice and 1 cup of water. Put it on medium-low and stir it up. In the meantime, go ahead and grab another pan, and to this you're going to add 1.5 sticks of butter and get that to melt. Be careful, do it on low so that you don't burn it. Once you go ahead and get your butter to melt, you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of flour. You want to add it slowly and you want to whisk it in. You don't want it to burn, so again, make sure that you keep it on a lower flame. But you'll see that the flour thickens up the butter right away. Make sure that you stir your other pan, put the lid on it. You're really just getting those vegetables soft. And then you're going to go ahead and add a quart of half and half to the mixture, that is the butter and the flour. Do it slowly. Make sure you whisk it all along the way. And again, keep it on low. You don't want it to burn. And you're going to let it cook for a little bit. You're going to see that it gets nice and thick. And once it's ready, go ahead and add in your vegetables. Then you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Let it cook for a little bit. You'll see that it gets nice and thick. And at the very end, you want to go ahead and add those 3 cans of your clams. And you're going to have the best, delicious homemade clam chowder that you can freeze for later in either these soup cubes or mason jars and have a wonderful meal. Enjoy.